Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
What's up?
What's up?
How's it going?
How's it going?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye. See you later.
Bye. See you later.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow morning.
See you next week.
See you next week.
Take care.
Take care.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
No problem.
No problem.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
How old are you?
How old are you?
What do you do?
What do you do?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
How do you say this in English?
How do you say this in English?
I need help.
I need help.
I'm lost.
I'm lost.
Can you show me the way?
Can you show me the way?
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
I'd like to order.
I'd like to order.
What's your recommendation?
What's your recommendation?
I'll have the same.
I'll have the same.
It's delicious.
It's delicious.
I'm vegetarian.
I'm vegetarian.
I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
Can I pay by credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
Is there Wi-Fi here?
Is there Wi-Fi here?
Where can I buy tickets?
Where can I buy tickets?
What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
I'm feeling sick.
I'm feeling sick.
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
I have an appointment.
I have an appointment.
I'm running late.
I'm running late.
Can we reschedule?
Can we reschedule?
How was your day?
How was your day?
What did you do today?
What did you do today?
I had a busy day.
I had a busy day.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I need a break.
I need a break.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
That's interesting.
That's interesting.
I agree.
I agree.
I disagree.
I disagree.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I think so.
I think so.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
I'm sure.
I'm sure.
What's your favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
Do you like to travel?
Do you like to travel?
I need to buy some groceries.
I need to buy some groceries.
Can I have your phone number?
Can I have your phone number?
Let's keep in touch.
Let's keep in touch.
How's your family?
How's your family?
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Good luck.
Good luck.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
What's new?
What's new?
Tell me more.
Tell me more.
That's incredible.
That's incredible.
You're amazing.
You're amazing.
I appreciate that.
I appreciate that.
Let me think about it.
Let me think about it.
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
Can you pass me the salt?
Can you pass me the salt?
Could you please be quiet?
Could you please be quiet?
Let's hang out sometime.
Let's hang out sometime.
That sounds like fun.
That sounds like fun.
I'm so excited.
I'm so excited.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
I'm so sorry to hear that.
What's the plan for today?
What's the plan for today?
I have a lot on my plate.
I have a lot on my plate.
It's easy.
It's easy.
It's difficult.
It's difficult.
I can't make it.
I can't make it.
Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day.
Can you speak any other languages?
Can you speak any other languages?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Excuse me, where is the nearest store?
Excuse me, where is the nearest store?
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
Where is the bus station?
Where is the bus station?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Can I have a glass of water, please?
Where is the closest hospital?
Where is the closest hospital?
Can you speak a bit slower, please?
Can you speak a bit slower, please?
Thank you for helping me.
Thank you for helping me.